Welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time you're joining us, thank you for joining. And if it's not, welcome back. So today we'll be learning the various sounds of the TH. The TH has three sounds. The first one is the voiceless TH, which is you take out your tongue and you blow air. It's voiceless or soft. And the second one is the voiced TH. You take out your tongue and you blow air, then vibrate it. It goes this way. And the third, which is the sound T, the normal sound the letter T gives us. The voiceless TH, we usually give it the sound T. Examples of words are throat, throat. In Nigeria we say truth. Think, think. In Nigeria we say think. It's like thank. In Nigeria we say thank or thank. Sound of the TH usually pronounce that sound as D. We give it a D sound where it's like that. We say that. They, we say they. This, we say this. The sound of the TH is the sound T. It appears in words like Thames. The TH in Thames sounds T. Anthony, the TH in Anthony sounds T. In Nigeria, we say Anthony, Anthony. Then Theresa, the TH in Theresa sounds T. Thompson, the letter P in Thompson is silent. Then we have Thyme, the usual time we use in preparing our meals. And that will be all for today. If you have questions, I'll be in the comment section to answer your questions. Always remember to subscribe. Love you.